Some love stories are told in words, letters, and memories passed through time, but some love stories are so powerful, they are carved into stone for the world to see. The Taj Mahal is not just a monument of marble and symmetry. It is a promise of love that refused to fade, even after life itself had gone. Built by Emperor Shah Jahan for his beloved Mumtaz Mahal, this masterpiece became a symbol of devotion that centuries could never erase. Look into this still reflection pool, and you see more than beauty. You see a story of love, loss, and a heart that chose memory over forgetting. Empires have fallen. Time has changed the world in countless ways. Yet this white marble dream still stands, whispering that true love never disappears. As the light fades and the monument glows under the sky, the Taj Mahal reminds us all, love, when real, becomes eternal. As the light fades and the monument glows under the sky,